Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. The Bank of Jamaica is taking commercial banks and other lending institutions to task this evening. At its quarterly press briefing today, new BOJ Governor Richard Biles said he's organizing a meeting with lenders to find out why they're not offering loans at lower rates. TVJ's Andrew Laidley has the report.
Interest rates are at the lowest they've been in a decade, but still not where they need to be to stimulate the kind of economic growth Jamaica needs. The central bank has reduced its indicative policy rate 5 times already this year, a signal to commercial banks and other lenders to lower theirs as well. But some have been slow to act. Central Bank Governor Richard Biles now demanding an explanation.
We feel that there is some inefficiency, some hindrance, some blockage in the system. And just this week I've asked to call the deposit-taking institutions, commercial banks, merchant banks, mortgage societies, credit unions, to come and meet with me and talk with me, tell me what they think is the issue, why we're not seeing a better transmission of our policy rates to the consumer.
Mr. Biles also indicated that the problem may be arising from how Jamaicans bank. He says 40% of Jamaica's deposits are in foreign currency.
There's a large portion of deposits out there that our policy cuts don't impact in any way at all.
At the same time, the central bank governor argued that consumers are not benefiting from lower rates because most people are banking at the same place.
A very large portion of the deposit base is concentrated. Right? It's not equally dispersed as you would think between all the DTIs. It's highly concentrated, and that too has an impact on the transmission system.
The Bank of Jamaica lowered its monetary policy rate on Tuesday, hoping to stimulate a faster expansion in private sector credit, which should lead to higher economic activity consistent with the inflation target. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Oil prices rose today. Oil for delivery in October went up by 93 cents to settle at $56.71 a barrel. The approach of Hurricane Dorian towards Florida raised fears that offshore U.S. crude producers may slow output if the storm passes into the Gulf of Mexico over the weekend. Currency trading ended today with the U.S. dollar selling for $137.85. The Canadian dollar, $103.99. The pound is going for $168.43, while the euro sells for $154.27. On the stock market, the JSE index lost 1,554 points today, while the junior index declined by 17 points. Among today's winners were Radio Jamaica, iCreate, Portland JSX, Jamaica Producers Group, and Epley. On the losing side were Blue Power Group, Jamaica Stock Exchange, Cygnus Credit Investment US dollar shares, Siboney Group, and Cygnus Credit Investment Jamaican dollar shares. And that's where we end the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.